Hi everyone, it is October 11th, 2020. Hope everyone is doing well. I wanted to take these few minutes to explain to a few people that have asked me why I stopped cooking. And the honest to God truth is that right now, in the times we're living in right now, and we're about to possibly have a second wave if we're not already in it, is that I have mostly dehydrated food, canned food, pasta, rice, beans, flour, soups, all in cans, right? So I no longer cook as much as I used to. But I do appreciate the people that actually enjoyed my cooking videos. And maybe sometime in the future, hopefully soon, when the human malware event goes away and they find a vaccine, possibly I could go back to the supermarket and buy raw chicken and raw beef and stuff that I can cook with again. But right now, I'm not going to the supermarket at all. And I have plenty of food here. It's not that I'm lacking any food. It's just that the food I do have is mostly just warming up stuff. You know, even the pasta I can just boil. But as far as cooking goes, I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm now focused on mostly news events, unboxings, and I'll give you, you know, my view on what's going on and possibly some insight on what people should buy to prepare themselves, possibly the second wave if it comes, if we're not already in it. So again, folks, I appreciate the people that have posted that they have made the recipes that I have posted in the past for their family, and they appreciated the recipes. I've had a handful of people actually come to me and say they've made it. So maybe in the future I'll go back to cooking, but right now we're focused in on prepping and keeping people up to date on what's going on. Okay, folks, take it easy and stay safe. Bye.